Hello, and welcome to the Daily Job Digest with the Travel with Clem Brands. Every day in June, we are posting a new company hiring in a new position. So make sure when you see these job postings, you go and apply right away as they tend to get filled quickly. These companies are hiring internationally. So if you are located in the Caribbean, in Africa, in Asia, in Europe, you can apply. Today, we are looking at a product design lead position at Manhattan Hydraulics. They describe themselves as a down-to-earth digital product studio and emerging technologies R&D group. We are hiring an experienced product designer and leader to help develop robust processes, mentor designers, and ship world-class software. Your qualifications and contributions: you're confident and technically skilled product designer, you are careful, kind, and selfless leader, you're well-rounded creative contributors and learner. They give you the benefits of working with them and also dive deeper into the qualifications. Remember that when it comes to these kind of jobs, you don't need to meet all the requirements. Once you meet the majority of them, you can still go ahead and apply for the job. Here, the company shares more information about who they are and who they have served. And they also give you more information about their statistics and what they have accomplished. As a product design lead, you will mentor their 5 product designers to become better at their craft. You will empathize with the way of working, yet challenge them to be the studio that they want to be. Look at the studio's vision and improve it with them, and guide their ways of working on platform to realize your vision. So it's really kind of like a supportive role for somebody who has experience with product design and graphic design as well. They tell you more about how they set their salaries. But they say that they believe that there's a better balance between the pool of freelancing and full-time. And for that reason, Hydraulics works different from most shops. So this is really a position for somebody who is at a senior level when it comes to management, product design, or graphic design. The estimated base salary range is $99,000 to $120,000 and plus. And this is supplemented by their profit share program, which allows employees to share in company profits. And that is, by the way, per year. Okay, so that would be a great company to work with a lot of benefits that you can read more about. So how do you apply? So we are excited to hear from you. Please apply by emailing us at hello+hiring@hydraulics.nyc with the subject line product design lead. Please include the following information in your application: a resume and portfolio link, what excites you about our studio and this role, something you've recently learned on related to design. Okay, so they want to make sure that in addition to your passion for design, you have extracurricular interests. So I think that's what that means. So they give you more information about the interview process, which is very thorough. And basically that's pretty much it. So I think if you are interested in design and you have leadership and management experience, this would be a great position to apply for. If this is not the right fit for you, share this with somebody that you know will be a great candidate. And for these kind of positions, they are really competitive. So make sure that your cover letters and your resumes are optimized. And to do that, you want to get the remote work starter pack that is in the description box of this video, where we include cover letters and resume templates that can help you be able to land these jobs easily or boost your chances of landing this job compared to your competition. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment to let us know what your skills category is so that we can continue to provide you with job opportunities within your skills category, no matter where you are located internationally. Take care and see you in the next video tomorrow.